Good morning, students. Uh, Today we will start editing the existing picture. Last class we finished the closing the window, paint window, and opening the saved picture. Today we will start editing the existing picture. How to whatever picture you have done, if you want to changes anything in your picture, you will means if you anything changes, you have to edit the existing picture. So for that you have to select the picture and the resizing the picture. Okay, first how to select the picture. Before making the changes in a picture, we need to select it. Okay, follow these steps to select the existing picture. First, click on the select tool in the image group. Here so many in the ribbon is so many options is given, shapes, color, and here is not mentioned. In this picture you can find out where is image group. Here image group, this is image group. In this image group you will click on the select. You will click on the select. What will happen? This select button you will click means what happened, this box will create. In this box you will step to rectangular selection. Okay, if I am select the rectangular selection, what happened, which picture you want to changes, in which if I want to making changes in this picture, what happened, you will bring with this, when you click with this one and drag first you click it in this one and hold the left mouse button and drag it around the picture to select. If I want to select here, I will drag it with the left mouse button to here. See the next picture, with the left mouse button you bring this rectangular selection and you bring here. Okay, then release the mouse button once the picture is selected. After selecting, you release your mouse button. Okay, this is the selecting the picture. This is the way of how do you select the picture. I will select the picture. Now coming the resizing the picture. Resizing the picture, we can resize the picture by increase or decrease its size vertically or horizontally. Follow these steps to do so. Means if you want to resize, means already this size is there. Okay, I selected it through this image group and select the rectangular selection. I bring with the left mouse button, I drag it and bring here. After this selection, I can resize. I can increase the size, I can decrease the size. Okay, I can the vertically I can increase, horizontally I can increase, or vertically I can decrease, or horizontally I can decrease. Okay, that is called resizing the picture. So how you will do the resizing? Select the picture using select tool. Click on the corner of the boundary. This is the corner of the boundary. These are the corner of the boundary. Okay, you will see a resizing handle. This is a resizing handle. Okay, hold the left mouse button, drag the handle outward to increase the picture size. Okay, or drag the handle inward to decrease the picture size. First what happened, this is the boundary, corner boundary. You will hold it with the left mouse button. Okay, you drag it, the handle you drag it means towards outward, means your picture will increase, and when it will you drag with the left mouse button, you drag to inward, it will be decrease. Outward means increase, inward means decrease your picture size. Okay, this is hold the left mouse button, drag the handle outward to increase the picture size. Means outward means this size will be the picture. Okay, this is the picture size, big. Okay, if I will drag the handle inward, okay, means small, inward, then what happened, the picture size will be decrease, small. Okay, see here little bit bigger than this one, small. Okay, now this is your completing the lesson. Resizing the picture, you understood. First what happened, you select the picture using select tool. What you have to done, select means we will, if I want to change here means I will bring my, with the select tool I will, whatever tool I want, that rectangle tool, whatever, if I will select it means I will, this one I will, with the left mouse button I drag it and bring it up here, and after that what happen, click on the corner boundary. Click on the corner boundary, we will see the resizing handle. This is the resizing handle. Okay, then hold the mouse button, left mouse button, and drag the handle. Sorry, this is the handle. Sorry, this is the handle. Drag the handle outward to increase the picture size. Okay, when I am drag outward, increase the picture size. If I drag inward means the picture size will decrease. It will become small. Got it? So this is the two concept for editing the existing picture. First is selecting the picture. Second is resizing the picture. Okay. So children, our lesson is completed. So what we will learn in the lesson? First is so many tools we learn. How to draw the paint. What are the shapes, line tool, shape tool, parts of paint window, how to open paint window, then different kind of drawing shapes we learn, line tool, curve tool, rectangle tool, oval tool. Okay, after that we will learn how to color the shapes, then how to minimize the paint window, how to maximizing the paint window, how to resizing the paint window, then save the picture, closing the paint window, then opening the saved picture, editing the existing picture, all we learn. So if you will read properly and practice in your computer, you will get understand about the paint. Okay. What is our computer etiquette is given here. Our computer etiquette is that always save your work and close down the window after you have finished your work. Means whatever kind of, not only paint, or if you write in a Word document, whatever, first before the closing the window you should save the work. Okay. Then what is the tech term? Minimize means to reduce something. Okay. When minimize is means your paint window is that, if you will click on the minimize, it will come to the taskbar. Okay, it will show on the taskbar. Maximize means to increase something. When I click on this taskbar, my picture will show on the window. Then resize, to change the existing size. Resize means whatever the size is there, if any changes I want to do, then that is called resize. Okay, drag means to make something move. Okay, drag means if I will drag means my cursor will be move. Okay, so this is the tech term and this is the quick recall. We use paint to draw and color picture on the computer. Line tool is used to make a line. Curve tool is used to make a curved line. Oval tool is used to make an oval or a circle. Rectangle tool is used to make rectangle and a square. We can fill color in a closed figure using fill with color tool. We need to save our work to see or use it later. Once a file has been saved, it can be opened again. The paint window can be minimized and maximized. We can also edit the existing picture in paint. Okay, so children, you read the lesson. I finished it. We first read the lesson and write the computer etiquette, tech term and quick recall in your notebook. Okay, next class we will start the exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day.